Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next one is what is the output of a given program? So in this program, what is the output of a given program? So in this, our execution is always starts from main function and A, B, C are the single dimensional arrays. Memory is allocated for A, A, A. A size is 4 elements. First one, second one, third one. Here the name first element is A of 0, A of 0, next one is A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. Next, first address is 500, next address is 502, 504, 506. Next, one more array of size 3 element 4. Array name is B. First element, second element, third element. Here the first array values are, first value is 4, next one is 14, next one is 24, next one is 34. Here the array name is B. So first element is B of 0, B of 0, B of 1, B of 2, B of 3. So here addresses is, first address is 600, next address is 602, 603, 604, 606. Not 4, 6 not 6. Here the values are, first element is 6, next one is 16, next one is 26, next value is 36. Next array name is C. So C of 0, C of 1, C of 2, C of 3. So C of 0, C of 1, C of 2, C of 3. Here the base address is 700, next address is 702, next address is 704, next address is 706. The elements are, first element is 9, next one is 19, next one is 29, 39. Here the PTR3 is int star PTR. That means array of size 3 elements. PTR is a variable name is PTR. First element is PTR of 0, PTR of 1, PTR of 2. Pointer, array of integer pointer. PTR is a array variable of type integer pointer. So here the variable name is PTR. First element is PTR of 0, next element is PTR of 1, next element is ptr of 2. Here taking base address is 600, next address is 800, next address is 802, next address is 804. So initial values is garbage values. This one is garbage value, then garbage value. Next, int star star pptr. Here the name of array is pptr. Name of array is ptr. This array name is a. So array name always gives base address of an array. This array name is b. This array name is c. So array name always gives base address of an array. This array name is ptr. Ptr also always gives base address of an array. Next, int asterisk pptr. The variable name is pptr, some address 900. So initial value is garbage value. Next, int I. I is a one variable. Memory is allocated for I. The variable name is I. Some address will take 950. So initial value is garbage value. Next, what is A? A is a base address of an array. Here the base address of array is 500. 500 is stored in ptr of 0. So ptr of 0, this garbage value is replaced with this value is replaced with 500. Now ptr of 0 is pointing to this element. Next, ptr of 1 is equal to b. B value is 600. Base address of array 600 is stored in ptr of 1. Now this pointer is pointing to this address. Next, ptr2 is equal to c. C is gives base address of array which is 700. That 700 is stored in ptr of 2. Now this pointer is pointing to next PPTR is equal to PTR. So what is PTR? PTR is base address of this array. Base address of this array is 800. This 800 is stored in PPTR. So this value is replaced with 800. Now PPTR is pointing to this address. Next, I is equal to 1. This garbage value is replaced with 1. So value of I is 1. So 1 less than or equal to 3. Yes, condition true. This statement is executed. So what is PPTR? PPTR value is 800. So what is asterisk PPTR? Asterisk PPTR is 800 address variable, that is PTR of 0. PTR of 0 PPTR is 800. Asterisk PPTR is 800 address variable. PTR of 0, that is 500, is increment by I, that value is 1. So asterisk PPTR is equal to asterisk PPTR plus 1. That means this value is increment by 1. This should be replaced with 502. Now this one is pointing to (502). This one is reallocated. Next, asterisk PPTR plus is equal to asterisk PPTR plus I. So what is PPTR? Here the PPTR is 800, asterisk PPTR is 800 address variable, PTR of 0. That value is 502. Asterisk means 502 address variable. 502 address variable is A of 1, is increment by 1. That means AR of 1 is 14 plus 1. Now this value is 15. Next, plus PPTR. So PPTR value is increment by 1. So this value is equal to 802. Now this one is pointing to 802. So this pointer is deallocated. Next, I value is increment by 1. So I value is 2. So 2 less than or equal to 3. Yes, condition true. Asterisk PPTR. PPTR is 802. Asterisk means 802 address variable. This one is increment by I value is 2. Increment by 2. That means this is integer pointer. plus 1 means pointing to next address 602, plus 1 means pointing to next address 604. Now this one is pointing to this address. This memory is deallocated. Now, so asterisk PPTR, asterisk PPTR plus equal to I. So asterisk PPTR is 602 address variable, that is PTR of 1. Asterisk means this value is 604. Now this point is pointing to 604. So asterisk PPTR means 604 address variable, that is B of 2 is increment by 2. This value is increment by 2, that value is 28. Next plus PPTR. So PPTR value is increment by 1. So this value is increment by 1, that is next address 604. Now this one is pointing to 604, 804. Now this memory is, this link is deallocated. Now PPTR is 804, asterisk PPTR is 804 address variable, that is PTR of 2 is increment by I value is 3. Here the I value is changed to 3. So 3 less than or equal to 3 as condition true, asterisk PPTR is increment by I, that is asterisk PPTR plus 3. So PPTR is 804, asterisk PPTR is PTR 2 increment by 3, that means this value is 706. Now this one is pointing to this value. Asterisk PPTR. PPTR is 804, asterisk PPTR is 706. Asterisk means 706 address variable. C3 is increment by 3. That means this value is increment by 3, that is 42. Next plus PPTR. Next PPTR is increment by 1. That means this value is 806. Next I value is 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition falls out of the loop. Next minus PPTR. PPTR is 806, minus means 804. So PPTR value is 804. 804. Now this one is pointing to this address. Next, what is asterisk asterisk PPTR? PPTR is 804. Asterisk means PTR of 2. Asterisk means 706 variable C3. C3 is 42. Here the 42 is printed. 42. So next one is I is equal to 0. Once again I value is 0. 0 less than 3. Condition true. Asterisk PTR of 0. PTR of 0 is 502. Asterisk means 502 address variable A1. That value is 15. 15. Next I value is 1. 1 less than 3. Condition true. PTR of 1. Asterisk PTR of 1. PTR of 1 is 604. Asterisk means 604 address variable, that is B2. B2 value is 42. 28. Next I value is 2. 2 less than 3. Yes, condition true. Asterisk PTR of 2. PTR of 2 is 706. Asterisk means 706 address variable C3. So value is 42. 42 is printed. Next I value is 3. 3 less than 3. Condition false, out of the loop. Next for I is equal to 0, I less than 4, I plus I less than 4, 0 less than 4. Condition true. A of 0, B of 0, C of 0. A of 0 is 4, A of 0 is 4, B of 0 is 6, C of 0 is 9. So here the output is 4 space 6 space 9. Next I value is 1, 1 less than 4. Condition true. A of 1, B of 1, C of 1. 15, 16, 19. Next I value is 2. 2 less than 4. Condition true. A of 2, B of 2, C of 2. Next I value is 3. So 3 less than 4. Condition true. A of 3, B of 3, C of 3. That value is 42. Next I value is 4. 4 less than 4. Condition false, out of the loop. Okay, this is the output. So we have to run this code. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. So A value is asterisk asterisk PPTR is 42. Star asterisk PTR of 0, asterisk PTR of 1, asterisk PTR of 2, 15, 28, 42. A of 0, B of 0, C of 0, 4, 6, 9. B of 1, C of 1, A of 1, B of 1, C of 1. Next values are A of 2, B of 2, C of 2. Next one I will use A of 3, B of 3, C of 3. So F7. So how to debug this code? A, B, C. Next PTR of 3, PPTR. Next here I value, we are adding I. So starting value is A, B, C. Memory is allocated A, B, C. PTR starting address. A address is stored in PTR of 0. This one is B address is stored in PTR of 1. C address is stored in PTR of next. PPTR is equal to PTR. This base address is stored in PPTR. I is equal to next. I is equal to 0 PPTR plus I. So this value, this address, first this address is changed. PPTR is this one, asterisk PPTR is this address is incremented by 1. This value is changed. E changed to F0. Next, asterisk means this address is this one. This value is incremented by 1. That one 14 value should be 15. This value should be 15. Next, plus PPTR. This value is incremented by 1. Now this one is I value is 1, 2 less than or equal to 3. Now this address is changed. EA. Now this address is 604, 601, 2, 3. This is the 604 address. Now this one is pointing to this address. Asterisk means B of 2 is incremented by 2. This value is 28. This value changed to 28. Next, plus PPTR. Next, this value is incremented by 1. This one is pointing to this address DC. Next, I value is 3. 3 less than or equal to 3 as condition true. Now this address is changed to 706. This value is changed. Now this one is pointing to this address. Asterisk means this address. Asterisk means C of 3 is incremented by 3. This value is changed to 42. Now this value is 42. Plus PPTR. Now this value is changed. Once again we are decrementing. Once again this is pointing to previous address. Now this address is pointing to this one. Asterisk PTR is this one. Asterisk means this value 42. So this statement prints 42. Alt F5, output is 42. Now so I is equal to 0. PTR of this address is pointing to this one. Asterisk PTR of 0 is 15. Next, this address is pointing to this one. Asterisk PTR of 1 is 28. Next, this address is pointing to this one. Asterisk PTR of 2 is 42. First one F5, first value is 15. 15 is printed. Next value is Alt F5, 28 is printed. Next F7, Alt F5, 42 is printed. Next, this one is A of 0, B of 0, C of 0. A of 0, B of 0, C of 0. 4, 6, 9 is printed. F5, 4, 6, 9. Second time, 15, 16, 19. Alt F5. Next one, 24, 28, 29. F7, Alt F5. Next one, 34, 36, 42. Alt F5. Next, F7 out of the body.